Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite on the Motorola Defy. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our web browser. You can use any of the browsers, so I'm gonna choose Google Chrome. And now let's try finding Fortnite on our Google services. So we're gonna open a new tab. Here enter Fortnite. Hit the search button. Now we can see Epic Games Fortnite. It's this link right here. Simply click on it. Then play instantly and download. Get it on the Epic Games app. Now the download will start. We'll need to press on download, then set OK. From here we'll be able to open this installer and then install it. In some cases, if your Google is not allowed to install from unknown sources, you might need to allow it first. So now let's open this app, because as we all know, the Fortnite is not available on Google Play Store, but here we can actually see it. So now let's press on get and then install it. Now after this download is finished, you'll be able to launch the game, and after all patching is done, you might also need to enable install unknown apps for Epic Games app. Now let's install it. Open it. So now the patching will begin, and after it's done, the game should run normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.